Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel.
Wow.
Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. Ooh.
Yeah.
And I'm feeling good. From
Nice job, nice job.
yeah. Scent of the pine, you know how I feel. Oh, freedom is mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
What is your name?
My name is Wayne McDonald.
Right.
What is that speaking voice?
And I'm 17 years old.
Oh my God! That was not the voice I was expecting after that voice. Your voice was so strong, and the great thing about us being turned around is it has nothing to do with anything else but besides what we hear. And what I heard, you are a total star.
Thank you.
Way!
Yes.
I cannot believe this voice. And then look at you, you're so beautiful and you're so perfectly yourself.
Thank you.
I just feel so much inside of you, and that's what we need in music.
It's phenomenal that you say something like that to me because I was bullied for the longest time and I was ashamed of who I was.
It's the scariest thing in the world to feel alone, but you're definitely not. You have 4 people that are about to, trust me, go ham to get you on their team. So you got a friend in all of us and hopefully a coach in me.
Thank you.
Highway.
Hi, Blake.
When I hit my button, it was out of a little bit of jealousy because I'm going, my gosh, how could she do that? You're the kind of person that we learn from. I would do anything to be your coach. Oh. No question about it. But,
I believe that.
And your family apparently likes that. So, I'm pretty sure I just heard Dad go, all right, that's what I'm talking about. My job is to try to find an artist and win this thing. Because when you get that trophy, you'll get the record deal, you'll get everything that you came here to get.
Wow.
Oh. And I also have a little tiny dream of someday introducing you to the Staples Center and saying, let me show y'all the way.
That whole performance was so remarkable, but you're 17.
Yes.
There's stuff that you need to learn, and I can teach you those things. I will throw a party if you pick me for your coach.
So I have to stand up because I had to tour when I was like 16 and 17. And with you saying you're being bullied, I mean, that happened to me. The internet already existed when I started touring.
We weren't born in the 30s.
Oh, they invented the radio in my day. Miley Cyrus, you young whippersnapper.
I'm just trying to be sweet.
You came to this show to meet me.
Dang.
I'm not playing. I'm not joking. I'm so serious, and I'm serious in a place in my heart. I was working on music, trying to figure out who I am and how could people stop telling me to try to fit into everybody else since I was 14 years old. I don't want to be like anybody else. And I don't want you to be like anybody else. You were born to show people what love sounds like. And it's beautiful. It sounds like you have a very solid, strong family that's behind you. Let's bring them out. Beautiful. Look how beautiful you are. Oh, wow. She's so beautiful.
I know I shouldn't even speak at this point because Alicia just like dropped the mic on all of us. But I've helped people constantly for 5 or 6 years at this point, doing things to facilitate their confidence, their happiness, and their success on this show. And I'm really good at it. God bless you all. You gotta pick a coach.
Oh. Let's go all the way.
I pick Alicia.
This girl is on fire! Thanks for watching The Voice YouTube channel. Click right here to subscribe and keep watching because there's more and it gets better.